sharing how to make this cute paper bow garland. It's an easy, fun craft for Valentine's Day. For my garland, I used letter size maroon, peach, and pink cardstock paper. Start by folding the paper corner to edge to form a triangle. Then we'll cut off this strip, which turns the paper into a square. Open the paper back up and then fold the creased corner towards the opposite corner and crease the paper. Once you open the paper back up, you'll have guides for cutting. You're going to cut each of the lined creases towards the center. You'll want to cut until there's somewhere between 1/2 inch to 1 inch left. Once all 4 lines have been cut, fold 2 opposite side triangles together. Line up the edge and then cut a slightly curved line along the edges of the triangles. Open the paper back up and cut a line straight up the middle of one of the other triangles. Then you're going to cut lines towards the tip of the center line you just cut, creating a little triangle. You want the lines to slant a little so the bottom is wider than the top. This is creating the ribbon strands of the bow. On the opposite triangle, cut a strip up the middle that's almost 1 inch wide. Then you're going to take one corner of the curved side triangles and add a bit of hot glue. Fold that tip without creasing the paper to the middle of the paper and glue it down. Repeat this with the remaining corners of the triangles. Then you're going to flip the bow over and fold and crease the ribbon strand piece. Add a dab of hot glue and press down. Flip the bow back over and wrap the center strand around the middle of the bow, bringing it around to the back. Cut off the excess and hot glue the piece down. And that's it. You created a paper bow. Then I just repeated the process with the other colors, making enough to create a garland the length I wanted. Once I had enough bows made, I just hot glued the edges of the bows together to create the garland. You could also attach the bows to a string if you prefer, but gluing them together this way worked for me and they've held together just fine. For hanging the garland, I created a small knotted loop from string and hot glued that to each of the bows at the ends of the garland.